Welcome all, this is Nivishri and you can start your IBPS AFO preparation with www.agriguru.in, and today we are going to discuss about livestock insurance. Under this presentation we are going to discuss about the scheme, coverage, animals covered, central assistant and process. First, we'll go with about the scheme. It is a centrally sponsored scheme and implemented on the pilot basis during 2005 to 6 and 6 to 7 of the 10th 5-year plan, and also during 2007 to 8 of the 11th 5-year plan in 100 selected districts. Later on, it was implemented on regular basis from 2008 to 9 in 100 newly selected districts of the country. The scheme was later subsumed as a component titled Risk Management and Insurance under the submission on Livestock Development of National Livestock Mission. And this component aims at management of risk and uncertainties by providing protection mechanism to the farmers if in case of eventual loss for their animals due to death, and to demonstrate the benefit of the insurance of livestock to the people. Coverage, it was implemented in all the districts of the country from 21st May 2014. Animals covered, the indigenous or crossbred milch animals, pack animals such as horses, donkey, mules, camels, ponies and cattle or buffalo male, and other livestock such as goat, sheep, pigs, rabbit, yak, mutton, etc. are covered under this scheme. Central assistant, the benefit of subsidy is restricted to 5 animals per beneficiary per household for all the animals, and for sheep, goat, pig and rabbit, the benefit of subsidy is considered as a cattle unit. Cattle unit is a unit which is equal to 10 animals, that is total of 50 animals. If a beneficiary has less than 5 animals or 1 cattle unit, he or she can also avail the benefit of the subsidy. And these are the component and pattern of assistance. First, premium rates for 1-year policy in normal areas is 3%, northeastern region or ill areas or left-wing extremism, and in affected areas it is 3.5%, and in case of difficult areas it is 4%. And premium rates for 3-year policy in normal areas it is 7.5%, in case of northeastern region or ill areas or left-wing extremism. In case of affected areas it is 9%, and in case of difficult areas it is 10.5%. Pattern of assistance in normal areas, in case of above poverty line, the central share will be 25%, state share will be 25%, beneficiary share will be 50%. In case of below poverty line or scheduled caste or scheduled tribe, it is 40% share by central, 30% share by state and 30% share by beneficiary. In case of northeastern region, hill areas or left-wing extremism affected areas, the central share will be 35%, state share will be 25% and beneficiary share will be 40% for above poverty line. And in case of below poverty line or scheduled caste or scheduled tribe, it is 50% for central, 30% for state and 20% for beneficiary. In case of difficult areas, the central share will be 45%, state share 25%, beneficiary share 30% for above poverty line, and central share 60%, state share 30% and beneficiary share 10% for below poverty line or scheduled castes or scheduled tribes. And this is the process. The animal insured for its current market price. The market price will be assessed jointly by the beneficiary and the insurance company, preferably in the presence of a veterinary officer or a block development officer. The minimum value of the animal is assessed by taking rupees 3000 per litre per day yield of milk, or as per the price prevailing in the local market, which is declared by the government in case of cow. And in case of buffalo, it is rupees 4000 per litre per day yield of milk, or as prevailing in the local market, which is declared by the government. The market price for pack animals and other livestock ought to be assessed by the negotiation jointly by the owner of the animal and the insurance company in the presence of a veterinarian doctor. In case of any dispute arises, Gram Panchayat or block development officer can interact and fix the dispute. The animal insured will have to be properly and uniquely identified. To make them properly and uniquely identified, ear tagging is done. This can be done by a traditional method of ear tagging or the recent technology of fixing microchips. The cost of fixing will be taken by the insurance company and the responsibility of its maintenance will lie on the considered beneficiaries. The nature and quality of tagging materials is mutually agreed by the beneficiary and the insurance company. The veterinary practitioners may guide the beneficiaries about the need and importance of the tags fixed for the settlement of their claim. Only if the tag which is available on animal is utilized with a unique identity number subject to the condition that is mutually agreed by farmer and agency. And there shall not be any dispute in settlement of claims on account of utilization of existing tag. While processing an insurance proposal, one photograph of animal along with the owner and one photograph of the animal with the ear tag clearly visible is sent for documentation. In case of sale of animal or otherwise transfer of animal from one person to another, that is from owner to another, before the expiry of insurance policy, the authority of beneficiary for the remaining period of policy will have to be transferred to the new owner. The four documents which are required by insurance company for settling the claims are intimation with the insurance company, insurance policy paper, claim form and post-mortem report. In case of claim becoming due, that is if in case insurance company doesn't pay back the claim to the farmers or beneficiary within 15 days, they have to pay a penalty of 12% compound interest rate per annum. Thank you. You can start your IBPS AFO preparation with www.agriguru.in.